Hi there and welcome to this beginner-friendly tutorial. In this video, I'll show you just how easy mix your Bitcoin to anonymize them and protect your privacy. Once you're ready, enter your Bitcoin address where you want to receive the mixed Bitcoin, and you have to choose a mixing fee between 0.5% and 2%, which also adds a layer of security to the mixing process. Next, verify your details and continue. After your details are validated, you get an address where to send your crypto to the provided mixer address. As soon as the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your funds will be transferred directly to your selected address where the mixed Bitcoin will land. If you send too much or too less, it will be accredited to your account, so you receive always the full amount you sent to the mixer, also in case the support is always there for you. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to drop a like, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end.